Hey everyone, welcome back to Genie, your go-to channel for step-by-step gaming and PC fixes. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Battlefield 6 error that says Game Not Released on Steam for Windows users. If you're trying to launch Battlefield 6 and get that message, don't worry. Follow each step carefully. One of these methods should get your game running again. Step 1. Restart Steam. Let's start with something simple. Open Steam, click on Steam at the top left corner, and select Exit to close it completely. After that, relaunch Steam and try opening Battlefield 6 again. If the issue is still there, sign out of your Steam account, then sign back in. To do that, open Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, and select Sign Out. Once you're signed out, log back in with your credentials. When you're back in, check if Steam has any pending updates. If it does, allow the update to finish, then try launching the game again. Step 2. Clear the download cache. If restarting Steam didn't help, the next thing to try is clearing the download cache. Open Steam and click on Steam at the top left corner, then go to Settings. Select Downloads and click on Clear Download Cache. When you're prompted, click Confirm. Steam will automatically close and restart after clearing the cache. Once it reopens, sign in again and try launching Battlefield 6 to see if it works. Step 3. Check or uncheck the DLC items. Next, let's refresh the game's downloadable content list. In your Steam library, find Battlefield 6 and select it. On the right-hand side, you should see a section labeled DLC. If there are any listed items, uncheck them, wait a few seconds, then check them again. This will trigger a quick update in Steam and refresh the connection between the game and its content. Once it's done updating, launch Battlefield 6 again to test it. Step 4. Verify the game files. If the problem is still there, it's time to verify your game files. Go to your Steam library, right-click on Battlefield 6 and select Properties. In the window that appears, click on the Installed Files tab. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your game installation and automatically repair any missing or damaged files. Once the verification process is complete, restart the game and check if it launches correctly. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the Battlefield 6 Game Not Released error on Steam and get you back in the game. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Genie, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.